Hold on a second. I just bought another viral product. The one we're gonna put on test today is the salicylic ice cream mask. I got this product on Amazon for almost $10. It was $9.99. So here's what this mask is supposed to do. It says that it's supposed to soothe and repairing from the root to improve skin problems, dissolve keratin, control oil, shrink pores, remove acne, clean clogged pores, and blackheads. I mean, this stuff is literally going to give you a very expensive Kardashian type of spa, but for only $10. Sounds like a great deal to me. Ooh, that looks like coffee grounds. This salicylic ice cream mask is supposed to solve greasy face, I got it, repeated acne, excuse me, closed mouth acne. Now you're telling my life. Blackhead pores. What can I say? This product is perfect for me. Come here. We're gonna put some on this lady over there. Let's start. So in the website, it says that you need to use a facial cleanser to deep clean the face as a step 1. Hey, here's my real skin. Told you, I got a bunch of stuff. And then as a step 2, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to paint a line here, as they do on the video, and apply the salicylic mask on one side of my face. So that we can compare it with the other side and see like what's the major difference. And then once you apply it evenly on your face, you gotta wait 15 minutes for the magical stuff to happen. Oh, it's burning me. This particular face mask actually has good ingredients. One of the main ingredients is salicylic acid. It literally is called like that. The salicylic acid is amazing for acne, for pores, for cleaning your skin, because it's a chemical exfoliator. 15 minutes, I don't see anything happening. And then as a step 3, wait until it is completely absorbed and pay attention to hydrating after use. It's 8 minutes and no ice cream on my face. I think the answer is nothing is gonna happen. You're not supposed to leave this on overnight or anything like that. It's not recommended. Not even the owners, the people that make this stuff, will leave it overnight or leave it more than 50 minutes or put it on their skin at all. I said it. That's what I got on my nose. You see it? The only thing that is happening right now is that I smell like my dad's cologne. Let's just wipe this off. Here we are, time is up. I'm gonna do the wipe off test, which is supposed to give you 2 results. Your skin is gonna look like a real filter, you know? Sounds good? And then you're gonna see on the thing that you wipe off all the blackheads, all that gunk, all that stuff that you don't wanna have on your skin. Hold on a second. I don't know. This is what I wipe off. I don't know if it's a remain of the face mask, if it's a part of my dignity. Okay, I'm gonna do it with another piece. It does not blur your face, okay? No, it didn't blur my face. It didn't turn me into a filter. No, that didn't happen. I still got all my pores full of stuff. And this thing is there. Okay, I'm gonna use a different part, a clean part of the shirt. I'm gonna do it again on this side where I got the bunch of stuff in there, okay? Have no idea what is this, but this is what I'm wiping off, and I have no idea what it is. Grease, remain of the mask. This is what I have collected so far. let's do it here, my forehead. This is just like part of the mask, but no, there wasn't nothing in there. Is that the keratin thing that they were talking about? Let's check my pores. No, it does not filter your face. It does not make it flawless, smooth, glass skin. This side feels less bumpy, just tiny bit, nothing crazy. Is it me or this one looks bigger now? It does say in the website that you need to wash your face again and then apply this moisturizer and you are set. When I look at the before and after in general, I do not see any difference. Maybe tiny bit more hydrated. Does this thing work? No. Because what they're selling on the demo is something insane. It's telling that your open pores, it will close out as soon as you put it on. No, that's not true. It says that whatever blackheads you got, you don't need to extract them. You just put this on and it will come out of the surface. And that did not happen, so no. And then the other claim is that if you put this on, it will turn your skin into a filter, like a flawless glass skin type of look, and no, that did not happen because as you can see, I still got all my stuff. So based on that, then I will say no, this does not work. There are many other products out there in the market that contain salicylic acid, that has hyaluronic acid, and does not contain bunch of fragrance that it can irritate your skin. That's the only thing that I'm just wondering what was that. The thing that is killing me is that it didn't turn into a ice cream mask. If it would have, I would have been more like, this is fun, you know, it doesn't matter. Seems like people are just going around putting this stuff on other people's faces, and that's how it works. Special effects. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida. Oh, wait. It's okay. On this side. Wait. You.